Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good evening. Hopefully, everybody's doing well. This is Booker Williams coming back at you with another video. Now, today I wanted to talk to y'all about, of course, time and how to use it more wisely. I was around doing my exercise this morning and I ran into two elderly gentlemen and I just got to talking to them. And one of the guys I talked to, he had worked for about 45 years and retired, and another guy, he had worked for, I think it was like 35, and he got medically retired. But anyway, just walking around there talking to him, and I just let him know that, hey, look, I'm about to retire myself. And one of the guys said, young man, that's the best thing you can do because you can never get your time back. And he said, use it wisely. And that kind of stuck in my head. And I was thinking, okay, so they're like 80. One of the guys looked like he was 80, and I was about 85 years old. They were still in decent shape. And I was thinking about this, because we never know how much time we got, but we have to use it wisely. And if you're running a business, and I tell people this, I'm gonna give y'all a word of advice. If you got a business and you're not using automation, please try to automate everything you can. That way you don't have to do the work. It's been times when I woke up, get an email, oh, you got a commission. Guess what? I ain't even talked to them. I can't even tell you what they look like. But I have a system that works for me. And it works 24 hours a day. Whether I'm on vacation, whether I'm working or not. Because some days you may not can get to it. You may not want to work. But guess what? My system is working 24 hours a day. That's another thing. Get you a system that's working when you don't work. Because if you don't have a system working for you, you'll work till you die. If you don't have a way to make money while you're sleeping, you will work till you die. And if you don't have one, y'all holler at me. I'll hook you up. Get this thing popping. I just wanted to jump in here and share that with y'all because I know it's a lot of people right now that's looking for a way to want to get their time back, and I can help you. I tell you what, this is what I'm going to do. Send me the word automate to 817-918-4367, and I'll send it to you. And if you have any questions, y'all know how to reach me. Hey, this is Booker Williams. I'm out. I'm about to enjoy the rest of this day because when you get your time back, you kind of lose track of time. But anyway, this is Booker Williams. Y'all be great.